Michigan Central is becoming one of the centers in America for drone operations. Lots of job opportunities.
Today, you're seeing the first flights from Aerial Loop using their BVLOS waiver that they've received from the FAA, allowing them to fly to and along the river to deliver goods.
The security tools to support the airspace, that is now just part of the package with having a startup when you come in here, and you can now start to do advanced operations. And it's here to commercialize operations. People are coming here to do business, and that's why so many companies have been moving into Michigan Central New Lab over the past 6 months.
We are really focused on making sure that we're connecting opportunity to the people of Detroit as well as around the state of Michigan. We are on our third Youth Drone Demo Day, where we're inviting 300 young people to learn about what it means to be a part of the future of aerial mobility.
When I first started here, I was 16, such a young age, and to be where I am today, that's a big accomplishment for me. It makes me feel great seeing that other people are interested in what I'm interested in and how easy it is for them to be certified.
Exposure is everything. We have to start by showing young people what the possibilities are. That then sparks their curiosity and helps connect them to education and opportunity.
Be proud to be a Michigander today. Be proud to do what no other state is doing, because we are truly trailblazers and leaders in our own right.